my Toni Pouf happens to be perfect for many of you that are looking for that little something something. What I really love about the Poufs is the fact that they come on a really small clip, so they're very inconspicuous. You can simply clip this on even if you can't get your hair back into a ponytail. Maybe you just need a little hold back. So it's nice just to throw on a little Pouf. But maybe when you throw your hair back into a little ponytail, maybe you don't have such a great pony. Well, I'm just going to catch my ends. I'm going to use the Pouf to create volume and an instant fluffier pony instantly. Again, the Poufs can be worn high, low, or even as an additive for an updo. So when I'm creating an updo with the Pouf, a lot of times you can use a bobby pin if you need. I'm just going to simply use a rubber band to hold my hair into place as I then grab for my Pouf. The Pouf has all the built-in style and the beautiful curl. So all I'm simply going to do is add this to the top of my own hair, and I have an instant do in seconds.